Hello everyone, Katlerios here, and in this video I'll show you how to increase FPS in CSGO. We will look at several ways and you will decide for yourself which is best. The first thing we do before run CSGO, we close all unnecessary programs, leaving only Steam and Discord if you communicate. Next, go to Steam, CSGO, Properties, Local Files tab, Browse Local Files. We go to the bin folder and we need these two files. Here are the settings for the processor. There are 4 blocks here. We need only second and third. In the second block, here we write 1, 66 and 2. And we also repeat in the third block. Alright, now go to the DX support. Here we changed one setting. This setting to 0. Done. Next, go to Steam, user data. We go to our Steam user ID. If you don't know it, go to the steamid.io and paste your profile link there. We go to the folder 730, local and CFG. Copy config.cfg and paste. Rename the file that we insert into autoaim.cfg. We erase and paste the text that you find in the comments down below. Now we launch CSGO. The first thing we do is minimize the game and launch the text manager. We are looking for CSGO and click Go to Details. Right click and select Set Priority High. If you are sitting without Discord, then you can put real time. Go back to CSGO and go to Advanced Settings. Start over. We expose the settings as mine. We set global shadow quality to very low. Model texture detail. If you set it to low, then the increase in FPS will be 3 and 6 FPS. All character models will be soapy. Effect detail and shader detail. If your computer somehow allows you to leave these settings as they are, then leave. Let me explain why. For example, if the Molotov is thrown back, the smoke from it will not be transparent. It is unrealistic to see the opponent behind the fire. And if you leave high, it will be visible from the enemy. Decide for yourself. Set the new texture streaming settings to enable. Maps will be loaded gradually. Boost player contrast enable. Multicore rendering. Leave enable here. If the settings is disabled, then FPS will drop by half. Multisampling mode. If you have a more or less powerful PC, then it is better to leave this item at 2x and enable FXAA anti-aliasing. If all of these settings are turned off, there will be ripples and it will be difficult for you to concentrate. But if FPS is important to you, then disable these items. Set texture filtering mode to bilinear. Well, set the last 3 items to disable. Now we go back to beginning. Set laptop powering saving to disable. Display mode should always be full screen. Resolution. Well, it is difficult here. If you have a super simple computer, then set to 4x3 and 1024 by 768. I advise you to choose the desired resolution for yourself. Play around with the resolution settings. But I warn you, if you choose 4x3, the viewing angle will be less than 60x9. Now I'll just give you some advice. If you have an SSD, then put the game on SSD. Watch your video card or processor benchmarks on YouTube. If you Google your graphics card and add CSGO, you will find a lot of information on how to improve performance to your video card. If you know your ways to increase FPS, then write to me in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to make the red button subscribe in gray. Thank you.